So, it's been a while since I did my last vlog. And today, mag-vlog tayo because I really wanted to continue vlogging. It's been a while since I did my last vlog. So, I think it was my mom's birthday. But for today's video, we're going to a museum. So, why museum? So basically, I'm reading this book. It's called The Artist's Way. So basically, sabi dito, you have to date yourself at least once a week. Which I always do naman. So I always go to Makati or BGC or here sa Ashana and I read some books and drink coffee, ganyan, or go to the mall. But I realized na there are more things to do here in Manila that will contribute to my, being an artist, right? So that's the reason why we are going to National Museum today. And yeah, also it's already 3 p.m., which means I only have 3 hours to go there and enjoy the museum. But basically, ang initial plan ko was to go there for like 2 hours. And then I'm gonna go to a cafe nearby. And then I'm gonna go write my journal and also, just bring my sketch pad just in case there will be some new ideas that will pop up in my head. Ayan. So this is my diary slash journal notebook. So I always write here like every week, but this time it's gonna be for New Year's, so it's gonna be more different and more I think mapupuno ko siya. Sorry. So yon, so ito yung naman ang bag ko, and if you guys are asking, this is my new baby. So this is my new business, my new actually it's not new because Veridat has been existing for almost 6 years now. But this time, I'm launching a new bag. So this is a new bag, guys. So ito yung bag na gagamitin ko for today. And I'm just going to use it like this. I'm just gonna open the arms para it looks, very casual lang because ang look na gusto kong i-achieve for today's video is, very summer vibes, very casual. That's why I'm just wearing white and blue. And that's my shoes over there. So I'm just wearing white sneakers. So yeah, so basically I'm just packing some things na kailangan natin for today. So of course I need some shades up in here. Of course my cards, which I need. My God, it's been a while since I did vlogging. So medyo parang nangangapa pa ulit ako. But yeah, I'm gonna promise you guys na mag-vlog ako na lagi. It's just that I'm so busy lang kasi with building my business. So I really want to prioritize muna yung mga important things. And then kapag siguro may time na ako or more time na more free time, then that's the time that I'm going to vlog more. Napapagod na ako. Napapagod na ako, guys. I've been doing a lot. So I cleaned my room and also I did, a poster for my brand. So super exhausted na ng brain ko and also my body. But I really wanted to go to the museum para matapos na siya. And I don't know if there's something na bumubulong sa brain ko or ADHD ko lang yun. And yun nga, so parang binubulungan talaga kung pumunta ng museum. Pupunta ako, alam mo gagawin today. I mean, natapos na naman na lahat yung gagawin ko. So it's already 3 p.m. and kailangan ko na magmadali. So, let's go. So we're finally here at the National Museum. So I actually didn't expect na merong 30 minutes na pila, but it's fine. And trivia lang guys, so I've never been here. Like, it's my first time here also. And nauna pa ako makapunta sa Louvre ng Abu Dhabi kaysa sa National Museum ng Philippines. But my first impression, it's good. I mean, it's a museum, so you can expect like a lot of really beautiful arts here. Yeah, so super ganda ng mga pieces natin dito sa Philippines just because we have, a really great history. So this is what I got. I got the lotus or the biscuit crumble, and I'm still waiting for the sea salt latte. Hi guys, good morning. So it's been a while since I filmed my last vlog, and right now I'm getting ready because um it's Monday. Even though I don't have a regular job, I treat Monday as my, my working day. And it's 2026. It's January 5th, 2026. So I really wanted to start my day and my year right. So we're on our way to the Starbucks near Parkville Mall. So I just want to share with you guys, alam niyo ba, bago ako lumipat dito sa Asiana, na-manifest ko na siya. So, I really wanted a condo na open layout, brand new, and an all-glass, floor-to-ceiling windows, ganyan. And of course, malapit sa lahat, it has to be in the CBD. So, medyo frequent ako dito sa Asiana area and sa MOA area because I really like the vibes here. Like, super quiet lang here. Super chill. Especially dito sa Asiana, walang masyadong tao, especially kapag weekdays. I really appreciate this place. Lalo na nakuha ko yung unit ko dito sa Asiana. And the good thing also is super lapit yun sa lahat. So sa area ko, there are like 3 malls. So there's Ayala Malls, Manila Bay, Harkal Mall, and then Mall of Asia, which are the biggest malls here sa Asiana or sa Philippines na rin. And at the same time, meron ditong mga hotels and resorts like Solaire, City of Dreams, Okada. That's the best thing siguro about Asiana is that the location kasi it's basically in the center of the world. So I'm like 15 minutes away from Makati and BGC if walang traffic. I'm like 15 minutes away from Manila if walang traffic. I'm like 15 minutes away from the airport. Basically everywhere, no? And also katulad niyan, meron ditong a football field, and on the other side meron basketball court and also volleyball court. So yeah, I really love it. I really love living here. And I really appreciate for the past 6 months, I really do appreciate living here because wala lang, I just love it here. Good morning, y'all. So it's already Tuesday, and I'm going to join the Just Show Up Run Club sa Rockwell. But I feel like hindi na ako araw. Actually, hindi siya feel. Medyo totoo lang siya kasi it's already 6:40 and ang meetup is 6 a.m. So gusto niyo yun. So I feel like, yun nga, I just wanna show up. So yun nga, I just wanna show up because, just show up run club. Charing. So, hindi na ako nag-expect na may makaabutan ako, although I'll still go to Rockwell because, wala na, nagising na ako eh. And also, I'll check the Sarah pala sa Rockwell because They're still on sale, so I'm just checking if meron akong makakuha or mabibili. We just arrived here sa Rockwell, and I think they're already starting because I'm gonna make them into chug in groups. So I'll just do my warm ups lang a little bit, and then I'll join them siguro. So paikot lang naman usually yung route nila here sa oh my God. The run is finally done. Honestly, I've been to just show up on club before now. Actually, before it was Rockwell Run Club, but they changed it to just show up run club. So surprisingly, like the run is like really quick long, or maybe because I'm late, but I feel like we run like 30 minutes long, which is okay because I don't want to get tired. Din naman. So, and super daming nag-show up. So, super daming tao. And, so, I just got here sa Manila Bay and I'm just resting for a few minutes before I run. Yeah, so I'm just sitting here, right here. It's the seaside. And what I really like about Ashana then is that aside from its, oh my god, there's a cat. So what I really like about Ashana is that even though, I mean, aside from it's very peaceful here, it's quiet, less crowded, you also have the access. Oh my god. I don't lie. I'm so sorry. No, I mean, I like cats, but I just don't like being approached by stray cats because I'm not sure if they have rabies or not. And I don't have anti-rabies shot, so, you know. Anyway, so what I really like about Ashana is that since, I mean, as it's quiet, you have access also to the bay, even though the smell is not that nice. It's actually clean. From afar. Pag tinignan mo lang siya ng malapit, doon mo lang makikita yung mga konting baso-basura, ganyan. But for the most part, yung Manila Bay itself, it's actually clean. It looks clean. Although you can still smell the bad smell. Parang pinaghalong seawater na may kasamang urns. Parang ganun yung smell niya. Although it's not that strong, it's not pleasant. But for the most part, yan, it's clean dito sa seaside, walang trash, a lot of cats. As you can see, a lot of stray cats out here. Hi guys, good afternoon. So it's already Wednesday, and for today's video, I'm going to run again. So this time we're going to Ayala Makati because doon schedule ng Just Show Up Run Club. Honestly, mabilis lang naman yung biyahe because malapit lang ako sa LRT station. But ang concern ko now is if makakaalis pa tayo on time because I'm taking so much of my time. Anyways, guys, if you're wondering kung bakit puro running lang at, puro pagmamaganda lang yung ginagawa ko. I really don't film na kasi yung working situation ko because andito lang naman ako sa bahay. But I'm gonna do a separate vlog. I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do when I work. But for now, let's go na because I'm so late. Okay, so sarado yung LRT station dito sa Ashara. So I don't have enough time na to go to Makati if, for example, magta-taxi ako or mag-aangkas ako. I don't think I have enough time because yun na, so late na. The good thing is I live in Asiana, so it's really nice here, especially if you want to jog or if you want to run. Like, we have plenty of spaces here. The only reason lang naman that I wanted to go to Ayala tonight is because I wanted to join the Just Show Up Run Club. But nonetheless, I guess dito na lang tayo mag-run. And so change of plans again. So I don't want to drink coffee now because it's already 6 p.m. and baka di na naman ako makatulog. But oh my god, super ganda ng sunset right now. And I feel like advantage also, one of the advantage also of living here in Ashana is that since it's in a coastal area, so after Soler, it's already Manila based. So yung sunsets dito are usually the best. Hi guys, so it's Thursday and I didn't film earlier because I was just doing the same work every day here in my place. But I was supposed to join the RWP or Run with Pat Run Club here in Asiana. So they usually hold their events or their runs here to my Park Hall Mall at 6:30. So I went there, I arrived early, like 5 minutes early, but they didn't start on time. So I feel like I'm wasting a little bit of my time waiting when I could be, just running now and just get over it and just go back here to do my workout. So I waited for like 15 minutes. So like around 6:45, they're still not starting. So I decided not just to run with myself and go home. So right now it's 7 p.m. and I will be going down on the second floor and I will be working out and swim. So let's sobrang lamig. So it's been a while since the last time I swim here because for the past few months, super ulan and super lamig na because it's January now. And yeah, so mag-swimming tayo tonight for 15 minutes lang siguro just for a quick dip. And actually medyo parang dirty yung water now kasi parang malabo. Tapos nandito na naman tayo, why not go for the vlog? Yeah, so for the past few months also, yung two towers here, nire-renovate nila because parang ginawa na siyang hotel. So basically, it's a hotel residence na siya. So I love it because they added like another amenities here. Like for example, ito, parang they have a restaurant na here sa second floor and also down below sa first floor or sa lobby area, like they renovated it. So may cafe na rin sa baba. So which is nice. Ang hindi ko lang masyadong bet is super daming chairs na nakakab here. Medyo nakakairita siya. But I hope the next few weeks pagbalik ko from Japan, all of this will be okay na. And yun lang naman. As a shareholder ng building na to, tsari.